Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm at this loft, about to check it out. It's a unique piece of art right here. So come on, let's get in and take a look. Take a look at this thing. It's a car up in this thing. Wow, the classic Mecedes up in here. Man, this is crazy. I don't even know what year this is. Mecedes in the middle of the loft. Nice blacked out kitchen. We found some lights around this place. Nice little art. Classic Michigan plate. 280S Mecedes. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Nope, not what I'm looking for. Alright, there we go. Now we got some lights. Concrete floors. Black and white thing going on. This car is like a dark green. Hopefully it shows up on the video. More furniture. White tables. You take a look up these stairs. So this is wild. I've never seen anything like this before. Couple 3 beds up here. Man, no lights up here really, unfortunately. Got these little lamps. This bed is sitting on a pallet. Something I haven't seen before. Mattress on the pallet. Got the vents coming through. AC not on, it's a little warm up in here, and I am upstairs, but man, this is a nice view up here. And overlook the whole studio, the whole loft from up here. Like I said, I think, well, this is definitely an Air BnB. It's like $750 a day to rent this, so not cheap whatsoever. Another pallet, bed pallet. It's actually a very cheap idea. You can get these for free. And like the bed rails, they're like $35 new, and that's for a cheap price. Turn on the lights over here. Man, I don't even know what this bar is going through the middle. Duck underneath. That was really for nothing. So, let me take a look down here again. I've personally never seen anything like this. It's real nice. And it's in Detroit. Side of Detroit you never really see. When people think of Detroit, we never really see things like this, but the past few years you see a whole lot of stuff popping up like this. So yeah, imagine just plopping down on the bed, and just waking up. You see a car in your living room, kitchen, dining area. That's crazy. Yeah, let me shut stuff off up here. Head back downstairs. I am breaking a heavy sweat. Stairs coming down. So hot in here, got fans everywhere. Some drums up there. Nice lighting around here. Let's see if this car opens. Yes, it does. It's kind of mint in this interior. Couple of little moths in here. Don't know what that's about. Have a sit down up in here. I got the old fashioned. It's like some airplane seat belts right here. Oh, there's no key in here, but it's definitely old school Mercedes, probably from the 70s or early 80s, if that. It's crazy. Got the little window right here to crack open. All this electronic. That's something you really didn't see back in the 70s and 80s. Mercedes was like a world-class car back then. It still is now. Got the new technologies, no roll-down windows. Even way back in this year. Yeah, 140 on the dash. Is that a clock right there? Gas meter. RPMs, I'm assuming. Is it diesel? I don't know. I'm not familiar with this car at all. Light switches. Air vents. Wheel panel. Must be the hazard. It's that red button. Soft leather steering wheel, the metal. Column gear shifter. Air vents. It's the AC right there. Thermo King. The tape player below. AM, FM. Well, I don't know. BC. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Defrost. Got the metal arms on the windshield wipers on the outside. Clean interior. Electric everything. Power locks, power windows. Well, not that small window. Airplane like seat buckles. Back seat the same. Ashtray for the back seat in the door. Back door is locked. Nice colorful lights. Electric stove. Clean refrigerator with the Coke in it. Nah, not that kind of Coke. Ice in the freezer. We need that out here. It's very hot in here. This thing's well done. It's not bright enough to my liking. Like everything is super bright. Yeah, this is real nice. The garage door exit. That's how the car gets in and out. It's just a spot to chill. No TVs in here though. It's the exit door right here. Step up into the bathroom. Mirror. Granite countertops. Little subway tile backsplash. Spotlighting again. Nothing too bright up in here. Toilet. Stainless steel trash can. Big walk-in shower with the white towel everywhere. Yeah, that is straight. It'd be nice to live up in here. Not as cozy to my liking. I like a little softer home, but yeah, this is definitely a nice place to party and crash. So there's flies up in here. Ah. Hate flies. Get out of here. good one. Sauce pipes back here. You'll catch that the first time. Nice curved glass back here. You know, it's so hard to manufacture a curved glass. You can see it in TVs when they first started making those. It cost so much. Same with this Mecedes. It's not just a flat piece of glass. Let me show you all the hallway real quick. There's a couple other units up in here. A little foyer right there. All right, everybody, that's it for this nice little loft in the city of Detroit. So, hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching and peace.